everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to link your Poshmark account to Instagram. So let's go ahead and do it right away. Open a web browser and log into Poshmark.com account. Here I've already been logged into Poshmark and I'm currently in the main home page. After you're inside this main home page, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. And in the expanded menu, click on Account Settings. Now, inside your Edit Profile page, scroll down and click on Manage Social Media Accounts. From this page, you can go ahead and connect to Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. To link your Poshmark account to Instagram, click on the Connect Now button right next to Instagram option, which will then take you to Instagram.com login page. Go ahead and enter your Instagram account's phone number, username, or email. Enter any one of the information. Once you are done, on the next field, enter your Instagram account's password. After you are done with it, click Login. If prompted, go ahead and enter your security code in the text box. Once you are done, click on Confirm and you will be logged into your Instagram account. Now, in the pop-up, click on the Allow button to allow Instagram to use cookies and similar technologies on other apps and websites. After you click the Allow button twice, you will be able to connect Poshmark with Instagram. So that is how you can easily link your Poshmark profile to Instagram account. You will now be able to share your Poshmark listing and updates on your Instagram profile more easily, and your Instagram followers can easily find and follow you on Poshmark. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.